Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere app from the application. That's why here in the search pool enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Tap yes, I agree, be close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and here we can see the information with the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 32 degrees. So also here we can find more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.